Diamond Kenya, Okoman Radio 97.1. Okoman Radio 97.1. Don't go anywhere, more coming up.
Because good music can be so hard to find. So hard to find.
Get it here.
It's your boy Travis. Gym class heroes, baby.
Okoman Radio 97.1. Yeah. Across the world, your full good party radio station.
Turn my radio up.
Okoman Radio 97.1. We bring on the best. Okoman Radio 97.1. Okoman Radio 97.1. Okoman Radio 97.1.
Do what you doing. Smile will bring the sunshine day.
Yes.
Do what you do.
It's 1:03.
Smile will bring the sunshine day.
Yeah, that Chedi and Kwame say. On the end of the day, I chaminu me no ma yegusu etia sesa krati asefo amoja die yemu afrusane. On any buru basaku basa ya adoma sambre pimpim kire nso na basambu da biara da. Aye bi afu nyankopon no. Acha sunyami ochama ne su obia so. Yeda na sen kakran January beso me nso yegusu ade ko na wiye. And now, exactly the 21st day in the month of September 2022. This is the day the Lord has made. We have to rejoice and be glad in it. And then, and not for fat, Yankopon Abomadian, the Atomoyen. As I say, my energy embruswo. It's an is a baby near Samuel, and your mood after 2022. And your mo passa Samuel Omontra at Yasafuasa season. Na wo sorry anopa bia ensamfo frosi dozi na nsanya westi dynamite abomodi explode ema me no kasai kromua eni pampim awu ya asefam ya ayroho afa wo hwesa ne aka akwanhia anso apagya ne mu a and come here, say every week be accident be see what baby.
We're together.
But all the same, yet I trade your pocket and as so good so about a mahobai. Yet I already say this is the most fast drive in the heart of the capital. Akwaaba Drive on Okoman 97.1 radio. Here from Nana Kwame Mpere. Who met him from the finest? The man in our catch you, man. There is the most educative, entertaining, exciting drive time. Our Ghana for Nana baby, Fabia. Ghana for BBM. And honey a show crying. Ye can't Casadema with a few I will hold. And Hannah Samre near call our Ghana Yama Tibi. And Hannah Samre. And yama we ye bebwa wa brabono. Ye bomodi and the other down. Transmitting live from very much Memorial House of Cropone Crapham. I'm on for opposite the Parliament spot. And hope and somebody able to ewe Okoman Akwaaba. Woko Facebook Live aye Okoman Radio 97.1. YouTube ye Okoman Radio 97.1. Twitter ye at Okoman 971. Instagram at Okoman 971. You can join the show live. Let's fly high. It's on we're going to make this very simple like your dimple. Asira Kasia Ankoma Victor Ohine Rakuliste Wall A.K.A The Boy on enemy producer Aside di ho Ankoma Nana Odamia DJ Ziggy P and I'm in Okase social media Technical Okuta Mepa Afi Aside di ho Koma mi official DJ di Majumedi DJ Donzi the high life selector I don't so that Sammy Rosa you gum south. Najuma di emi amidi ochia me midibio. Ene nana Kwame Mpere. What me from the finest. The meme nyina catch ready me. Taxi driver, truck driver. Osofo. Ene nkran sabre mu tie mu omiame ahodo. Adwuma bia wo ye bia wo tie me. Me mamu nyina Akwaaba.
Where's the Lord? Akwaaba on la rive. Welcome. Where's the Lord? Akwaaba on la rive.
97.1 FM is rocking. We are blazing.
Atari.
97.1 Okoman Radio 97.1 We are blazing. Okoman Radio 97.1 Radio 97.1. Okoman Radio. We are blazing.
Dennis Lee, Okoman 97.1. Ofrinchi French, our way to the so friend or enche. Okoman Radio, Bakope.
Say, Okoman, I saw quite more educated. They told about it, so we are far.
Okoman Radio 97.1. 97.1 FM is rocking. We are blazing.
There was for my life. Some friends now waka. There was for my life. Oh, don't you hear them say we go crash and for them. And if you cross me for here, God will cross you for there. If you get me for here, now God will bless me for there. If you shut these doors, God will open for you.
Okoman Radio. Okoman Radio 97.1. We are blazing. We are blazing.
I'm from Midday Reverend Benji, A.K.A Okoman FM 97.1, every Columbus, Ohio, the USA. Okoman, we are too awesome.
Kane no na enkoye mede wase daka ene medi kunima na jubo jaka iribomso
Okoman Radio 97.1.
Kaya ritia poratia maya say enti ya namu bia obecha so de akose ye
Okoman Radio 97.1. Okoman Radio 97.1.
Hey brother, and sway.
Media Man Kenya, Okoman Radio 97.1. Okoman Radio 97.1.
Adishi moja biya shegwama ahoro mi wo boniki kawanina Yesu mi dawasi sawaji mi kwa o Meshia wotia amida sote mi bonimo Adishi moja biya shegwama ahoro mi wo boniki kawanina Jesus mi dawasi sawaji mi kwa
Okoman Radio 97.1.
Jesus, Okoman
Radio
Now and now on the show, no. Meba modia ma acronyms be. And in interest here. Every to say acropon. When you say it stands for something. Have a Bible. And someone. And in your Kika baby. Now Bible dear meaning say spiritual fathers no. They say yeah papa doctor evangelist abu of no. Yeah ka Bible or say basic instruction before leaving earth. Basic instruction before leaving earth. Bino stand for basic. I know stand for instruction. Bino stand for before. Elna sound will be net, you know. Are you leaving? And I, you know, a earth. In the Bible, 4 minutes, you know. Anani acronym no. A basic instruction before leaving Earth. Swati as here. Anyway, this is your best radio personality. Monkaisa somebody have been nominated as the best radio personality and as the presenter of the year. Afi Ghana Young Entertainers Awards 2021-2022. And to watch out. Sani anano me di code ne to me be to wa ma no makoso ato aba ne sa. Abushia sombre yam fast ra kasem for ma twedi ampoko abe. Aye bia fu Nyankopon. Buru basaku basa ya dom Nyankopon ade ne dai atom yi me no mienu. Enyo no a. Ankama me papa. Minua ba wu tie me. Anka sambre mpokura ye wo he. Abun samni person ka odi yen. Eba ye nam adi ama ne se. Ba esare sa ye sum otiasefo Nyankopon. Nyame ya sambre odone ma. And then asama me no che enie. When people put you down, God will pick you up. When people put you down, God will pick you up. And only asama me show un cry. Da 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 da. Ah. Me wa dance die. Da 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 da. Oh, nasa mesimeka. Misha sieni na mikoye senyo. Irazi. Yawa ya mamisu. Oh. Asembi pa tume. Amani abi pa mikomu. Na tumadinye. Na sumi matimi kanje nipa. What yo? Nipa ni masamko. Ah. Engu mani mase. Kona mi wale. Kona ena wabi bamani udimiri sojira. Oh, I have a testimony. A testimony. I will tell the world my story of what you have done. Never, Agbe, never, Agbe, Madonna, Mau, oh, never, Agbe, Agbe, never, la 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 la. All that you've done for me, and I say to you, indeed we serve a living God. He is the omnipotent God, the omnipresent God, the Elohim, the Alpha and Omega. He is indeed the King of Kings and the Lord of Lords. Everyone make mistakes in life. You've done it before. But it doesn't mean they have to pay for them for the rest of their life. You've done it before. Sometimes good people make bad choices. It doesn't mean they are bad. It means they are human. And let me say, at some point, my person will catch no unia. Set Nana Kwame Mpere any Chelsea and crash when you. When people put you down, God will pick you up. Se nipa eba modin atwomba famwa awurade be so pagyaw esa ni se nipa kwan anya awurade akwan Enti awiabre sɛ wotie me. Baabi a wo bia. Sɛ wo ho ayɛ hi sɛ sɛn. Sɛ afoforo kora hyehyɛ. Awurade bedwuru ade ama wo. Me say 2022. Star Erunu aya worth no. 2022. Star Eruli Earth. Aya Venus. Venus no so aya oba. Enti wo bia wo ye oba. Afi wo tutu anamo ye. Na wo do niam tutu ye a. Oba bia o tie mi bedi ye. Nienya ne se obema empaibo adi ukan. Nienya ne se obehu anamo. Bema bia awu tie mi oba bi wo wa brabom. Saya wo yire. Saya ni awone ne hyehyɛ aware. Abushua bomodin aso obe invest woni mu. Esa ne se Venus. Ayoba etu hwe America kura me no kase omo coin 25 cent no ye de oba na ato so intensi da afi 2022 yo oba asuampaibo 2022 yo oba sambre wumpa adwuma ye esani so baby oba yire ne ho din bia no oba yire ne ho kakra bi obedi ye menya sofo but when you have a forecaster. So we will be a way research esua dia. We be who planet a rule world in Samri. Into 2022. It is a good year for everyone. Man kasa 2021 and call you. But I hear you. And a woman. I hear you a wompa. Who are no more to a. And rather than Yakanyana Beshiao. Sere Awurade se ohun mobo. Sere Awurade se wanamu ahutu oni ukan. Sere Awurade se sambre bibia wode won sabeka bia no. Ono no Awurade ndi kan. Ensiesie no enan no. Na. Afi bibia mekuta bia no. Oba bi oba mi bia mi invest woni mu. Because oba bi oba ba akopɛ na me ne te se oyire. Enti me namfo oba amini momo. Mabusua emewom kakra mi wo bia me de be show mu esa ne se eye Venus no oba so na samre o rule the world 2022 enti amamu ya muniema yi a afi ya ma afi mu be di ye papa ara fo wo ya ba man so wo ya oniema yi a Awurade be ma so adi ye. It has been God from day one. Enye nipa ho oden. Enye minim de. Enye ma ho ofa bi. Enye abusua papa bi amefim. Nemo eya adom na Awurade de adom me. Eno no suru nim de. I came to tell you something this afternoon. Se esoko kura. Ebe ma. Se omo chichiri a. Awurade be sane. I might not know what you believe in. Minim baby a ujidi esha mame. Minim baby a sambre wudu uti akwahye. But so Awurade nko na wo de wo ho ato ne so a. Omo wani mu ngu ase da biara da. Sani a Bible say at the mention of the name every knee shall bow and every tongue shall confess that indeed Jesus is Lord. Obviously I can't say yankana kwa ati asofo nyankopon ne kasa aseme mento say sa wodo ho atwere na wodo ho atwere obotan say anamon na sambre wutu no say wasre ni say oni wu kan dia centered on your grace. Friends, people will knock you down, but God will lift you up.
I've been through a lot, but grace sustained me.
My test is now my testimony. Want you?
So the
essence of my praise
is centered on your
what
grace.
Is that meto? Adum.
It was you,
Malaya in a courtroom. It was you.
My soldier on that battlefield.
Heba.
So the
Essence on my praise.
is centered on your grace.
One, two, Adam.
Hey,
Adum tina mi tiasi. Aya wadum tina mi walk. So the essence of my praise
is centered on your grace.
Adum. And it's exactly 32 after 3. And now, 21st day in the month of January 2022. I'd rather get our say. Yet I was somebody with the word to Mumbo Eshraya. And we are mobile me and ya again in Tiasia Rade. Say a town for a boy to from one. What would I do? Pejaya? It's an essential wakano and a bay ho.
Protocol breaker, you made a way. You turned my
Messi, God is good.
thing. It is you and just
Oh, Messi, God is good. Yenyanko pono en shroud.
God have made a way.
Yenyanko pono en home over. Yenyanko pono in shower day. But July, a wapa, somebody January, a wapa. Agro, me rock clock, and I'm visiting Nempoya 28. Say no, baby.
The essence of my grace
Hey!
is centered on your grace.
And I do boss in it.
I do. Could not have made a way.
Yeah, there are say.
Hey,
I would have been more did that so. What would it as was?
are you?
I would have been more quiet to baby a coiny.
Your loving kindness and
Omo wa tamfo anifra
brought me through.
na on show day nyanya gidie say okone de enafam
Centered on your grace.
you fight and fight and fight
I do.
till you get to the top.
Hey,
Failure is part of your life.
hey, I do.
Answer na ubehu success no na why your mistakes bebre wafuma kwadua so bebre so but esan say urade emma ne so esen ho emma wabra boso nti koso anya gidie se ebesi wiye empaibo kire yen abra okosuru enie ase abri biara ya face wo ahu yehiam ya tu ya ni ento bi anim no yamma modian mo sampai we esan say eyempaya ebedom menu mienu ama ochesu nyame no echie yempaibo aye yesufre edi amaye empaibo ni our Father who art in heaven, hallowed be thy name, thy kingdom come, thy will be done on earth as it is in heaven. Give us this day our daily bread, and forgive us our trespasses as we are forgiving those who trespass against us, and lead us not into temptation, but deliver us from evil. For thine in the kingdom, the power and the glory forever and ever.
Events unfolding.
One name is amen. Oh.
Do
one now. Opposite say. Sashani desire. Ya boy cho. Mamusa. Oyo nyamia. What you say? Sashani desire. Ya boy cho. Mamusa. I was your Facebook Live for Okoman Radio 97.1. Jubadi ani Akwaaba Drive. I was your share. Like it. Niam fani na engu enkosi no sia mu de. Na page me mo. Ko YouTube na ba modi akwohwe so ho. Twitter ya @Okoman 971. Instagram @Okoman 971. YouTube ya Okoman Radio 97.1. Etudi obetimi akọwa kruche wunsem nyina maje mra na makan no fafafa afa ya studio lines no so aya 0551 667755 or 0270191971. This one says, hey, I am Nyauskelo. I am watching you live all the way from Teshin. Shout outs to a show them gang inside a equiapem, especially Kwame Mpere and a Cropon.
You're a miracle.
Okay.
You're a destiny changer.
So you can share. At it's 37 after 3. It's time for me to turn things around. Mami Mamunyina Akwaaba and Fambra, the most safest drive, the most educative, entertaining, exciting drive time show at Ghana for somebody. From so many years, I'm a born Monday Antina Casafide Ibiso. A chinchia be PM work, ya pem a cropon, or Okoman to be precise. So, Mabo Modia, Jumadin, Jumason, your boy, Mama Omagena, so a power yen, said radio presenter of the year nomination, or Yeria Kauno. Midamina, say Uncle Swenty Jumedi, is an say a fit 2022, no, a more fire, a more fire, Tessani Ampon Ekano, is that say you Japan for crown, I bet not as a video. So, Kai. Say na me catch us memo acronyms be medical mo be me say Bible no a basic instruction before leaving earth. Yeka Bible a basic instruction before leaving earth. Bible. What you say? And you can a cropon so a cropon e wo acronyms. Na very deep. Watch out, stay tuned. I'm about to hit you with a lot of information on this radio. It is going to be another exciting moment. And then a freaky, fabulous, fantastic Friday. A finest one. And of course, once again, I go by the name Nana Kwame Mpere A.K.A. To me, I'm from the finest. And remember, you know, I can't show you. This is how I start my evening. Good.
Okoman Radio 97.1. Station Radio Man Kenya, Okoman Radio 97.1. Hey, Okoman Radio 97.1. Okoman Radio 97.1. Okoman Radio 97.1.
Too many people hate up and take. Why do you like it? Too many people hate
we are blazing.
Why do you like it? Hey, you Rastaman, hey, you European, Indian, man, we gotta come together as one. Hey, you Rastaman, hey, European, Indian, man, we gotta come together as one.
Hey, Station Radio Man Kenya, Okoman Radio 97.1.
Don't forgetting the Japanese.
We are blazing. Okoman Radio 97.1.
Forgiving each other. What is wrong with us? The cats and the dogs have forgiven each other. All these years fighting each other, but no solution. All these years fighting each other, but no solution.
Okoman Radio 97.1.
Yo, Okoman FM. Why you say, Oplekese Ghana Edu, and say Poloman a friend of yo, radio Bakoped, who person with Tia, and Timmy to be a better Okoman FM 97.1. Hi, we decide.
Kasami kasa, mimi pia ukubwa ya free judge yourself. Okoman, yenso na ne power ha.
Okoman Radio 97.1.
She was crying until now as she turned.
Okoman Radio 97.1.
Boy, you bring tears to my eyes.
Assalamu alaikum Okoman Radio. Medina Sabiti Abdullahi, mon for frère Yaro. Munti Okoman Radio da.
Okoman Radio 97.1. Okoman Radio 97.1. Okoman Radio. Okoman Radio. Okoman Radio 97.1. Okoman Radio. Okoman Radio. Okoman Radio 97.1.
Nana Jua Ekropon, DBMT Okoman Radio 97.1. Okoman Radio, Okuji on mine. Okoman Radio, Eju Ekwapi mine. DBMT 97.1. Okoman.
Okoman Radio 97.1.
On her face became perfect trace for the tears.
Yeah, so what a children that work out in the Ponosia. Now you come on radio and when young, a Kenyan, Sam Kronyan, you, ain't Eddie Kango, Berman Fum, when I'm so.
Abraham and Eka say, on this joint, I'm out for a full Okoman Radio. Oh, my champion, what? Okoman from my bank and you, can you cry? Must say that we are. Minimum rock cry, no poor, you are not true. There should be a series. Only size what?
Your friend me Grace, Okoman Radio, you are the best, number one. Apora Mountain, so here you come from. Yes, you are one. A.K.A Ruta, we are fantastic.
When I walk,
Okoman Radio 97.1. 97.1 FM. We are blessed.
Assalamu alaikum Okoman Radio. Medina Sabiti Abdullahi, mon for frère Yaro. Munti Okoman Radio da. Assalamu alaikum Okoman Radio. Medina Sabiti Abdullahi, mon for frère Yaro. Munti Okoman Radio da. Assalamu alaikum Okoman Radio. Medina Sabiti Abdullahi, mon for frère Yaro. Munti Okoman Radio da.
Okoman Radio 97.1. Okoman Radio 97.1.
Assalamu alaikum Okoman Radio. Medina Sabiti Abdullahi, mon for frère Yaro. Munti Okoman Radio da.
reggae in the bathroom, reggae in the bedroom, reggae
Medina Sabiti Abdullahi, mon for frère Yaro. Munti Okoman Radio da.
everybody likes it.
Okoman Radio, Kongela Papalayo, let Okoman Radio 97.1. No fair, no one anywhere.
Okoman Radio 97.1. Okoman Radio 97.1.
Respect the Rastaman, 'cause he's the only one left in Jah creation. Nobody can stop reggae. Nobody can stop reggae. Nobody can stop reggae, 'cause reggae is strong. Nobody can stop reggae. Nobody can stop reggae. Nobody can stop reggae, 'cause reggae is strong. Nobody can stop reggae.
Okoman Radio 97.1.
Nobody can stop reggae, 'cause reggae is strong.
Okoman Radio 97.1.
Yo, Yo, Okoman FM. My yourself, or Pregaza Ghana do, and some Poloman and friend of yo, radio back up, I don't perceive with ya. Intimate to baby, but Okoman FM 97.1. Hi, we decide.
Fighter standing on a mountain in a foreign country. Trying to stand
Okoman Radio 97.1.
back in the ghetto. He had a home one time, love of a girl, but he left all that behind.
Okoman Radio 97.1.
As he whispers in the air, his voice came out loud and clear. All he asked for was a prayer, and as he turns to walk away, he said, I'm still here in the house of Bedford for the
Okoman Radio 97.1.
Yo, Okoman FM. My yourself, or Pregaza Ghana do, and some Poloman and friend of yo, radio back up, I don't perceive with ya. Intimate to baby, but Okoman FM 97.1. Hi, we decide.
Okoman Radio 97.1. Okoman Radio 97.1.
I went to a party the other night. They said it's gonna be right there. But when we were at the party, I was disappointed. All we could hear there was the cracker.
Okoman Radio 97.1.
Was the Shooby-Doo.
Midin the A.K.A Castro, me Mandela Market. E wanna me watching. Castro ba ko no size. Okoman for my de papa. Me film. Okoman for my man ke be wo. Okoman for my jeni nyina. Mo ne yo. Ye mama dwuma pa. Ene ne pa mo de abo man yim. Ye so ekura masin twe. Within the A.K.A Castro, Mandela Market, a one me watching. Castro ba ko no size. Okoman for my de papa. Me film. Okoman for my man ke be wo. Okoman for my jeni nyina. Mo ne yo. Ye mama dwuma pa. Ene ne pa mo de abo man yim. Ye so ekura masin twe.
Okoman Radio 97.1.
I'm on for meeting the Reverend Benji, A.K.A Okoman FM 97.1, every Columbus, Ohio, US. Okoman, we are too awesome.
Okoman Radio. Okoman Radio.
Mother died of heart attack.
Okoman Radio.
10 years ago, when she heard that you were married again. Now I'm the only one left in the family. Tell me wherever you are, remember me in whatever you do. I love you. Tell me wherever you are, remember me in whatever.
We are blessed.
Nanajua Ekropon. Debi amitie Okoman Radio 97.1. Okoman Radio. Okuji online. Okoman Radio. Eju ekwabi mine. Debi etie 97.1. Okoman.
Okoman Radio 97.1.
Woman, God will understand me. I have gone right round the world trying to find a woman that will understand me. All the women I had before never understood me. Now that I find you, baby, gonna look no further. Now that I find you, baby, I ain't gonna look no further. Now that I found you, baby, I ain't gonna look no further.
Okoman Radio 97.1. We are blazing. Okoman Radio 97.1.
Nana Jua Ekropon, DBMT Okoman Radio 97.1. Okoman Radio, Okuji on mine. Okoman Radio, a Jew Akuapi mine. DBT 97.1. Okoman.
Every time I say I wanna go, I can tell you're gonna cry.
I have been at the Parliament for Okoman opposite. Me de fi anopa Okuma wia anogofa me wala sije ba ne da nti sire mu amuti Okuma nyina so bia die ho me ho de nsem pa damase.
Thousands of people
Okoman Radio 97.1. Okoman Radio 97.1.
I am going around the world spreading the message.
Abraham Maneka say, Mommy's joint back up it. A man for a kufu road. Okoman Radio. Oh, my champion Mati. Okoman from my bank and you. Can you cry? Must say that yeah. Minimum have rock cry, no for you and a jewel. There's who be a series. Only side what.
Meka se mini fio ku gwa yefu judge yourself. Okoman, yenso ni na ne power ha.
Okoman Radio 97.1. Okoman Radio 97.1. Okoman Radio 97.1. Okoman Radio 97.1. Okoman Radio. Okoman Radio.
Nana Jua Ekropon, DBMT Okoman Radio 97.1. Okoman Radio, Okuji on mine. Okoman Radio, a Jew Akuapi mine. DBMT 97.1. Okoman.
Assalamu alaikum Okoman Radio. Medina Sabiti Abdullahi, mon frère Yaro, Munti Okoman Radio da Edase.
Rastaman throw one stone, and it bring a bad feeling to all wicked men. At the foot trend,
Okoman Radio 97.1.
and it bring a bad feeling to all wicked men.
I have been at the Dubu and me Parliament for Okoman opposite. Me de fi anopa Okuma wia anogofa me wala sije e kwa ne da nti misire mu amuti Okuma nyina.
Instead of that, they only sit aside and rub and cheat and oppress the poor. May God, what a sin thing. I have been throw one stone, and it bring a bad feelings to all wicked men. What a plot, Bingy man throw one stone, and it bring a bad feelings to all wicked men. If Rasta make a progressive move, wicked men are red.
Okoman Radio 97.1.
The days when them can't send out Rasta, can't send I out, I send out Babylon. Bingy man throw one stone, and it bring a bad feeling to all wicked men. What? Bingy man a throw one stone, and it bring a bag of feelings to all wicked men. Things change, my dear friend. The table is turned, my dear friend. And you will have to live and learn and do fret. Asking you this question again and again and again and again. Word police.
Okoman Radio 97.1.
Trying to indoctrinate your people, but give me money. When will this payday be? Slave driver. When will this payday be? Tell us this hour. When will this payday be?
We are blazing.
For these retired slaves. Now, just when will this
Okoman Radio 97.1.
Mr. Big Man, when will this payday be? When will this payday be for all these retired slaves? Y'all listen to me. My forefather worked down here on this great plantation. Surely didn't get no pay for all their
Radio
wasted days.
97.1.
Tell us now, when will this payday be? Mr. Slave Driver, when will this payday be? Tell us this hour, when will this payday be? For all these retired slaves.
Okoman Radio 97.1.
When will this payday be Monday? Will this payday be Tuesday?
Okoman Radio 97.1. 97.1 FM is rocking. We are blazing. Okoman Okoman Radio 97.1.
A slice of Mount Zion is for
Okoman Radio 97.1.
I pray to Jah earnestly to please let me live honestly. Love my brother, that's all I need. I need no riches, just harmony. A slice of Mount Zion is for I. A slice of Mount Zion is for I.
Yes, I. We chanted on Babylon, Draka, what a sinting via bond. I say, Jah. Rasta fried rice. Chicken, that's all. To all the races. Wagwan. Everything alright, everything capacitic. Is it? Aye, Kalamawe.
A slice of Mount Zion is for us.
Once again, you're from Nana Kwame Mpere. I've heard the kind of from Ras Nana. Anna Rice Phynest. Anna Rasri. Now, Obikasa water sinti.
Bear with your big gun. All you got to do is help me pray. Let's kneel.
Water sinting. And no, on one day.
A slice of Mount Zion.
Rasta boy, we say, Wagwan. Everything capacitic, everything alright.
Poverty up on the door.
Shout outs to all the rascals out there. I see you, man, like
I do my voice on this beat.
Check the ball. Sri Rasta. Rasta na yese bi a ukuta locks in kwana Rasta. Rasta no akomem. Ari ase. It's even like black and white. Black and white. Wagwan, everything Chris. Everything alright. Anyway, Yanji Sikaka Krago Jumani Futu. Abi, you know that. Say do some radio. Anyway, come on, Sava Therapy and Mercy. À toi. Okoman 97.1 Radio New. Transmitting live from Barry Machumi Memorial House. On the Akufu Road, Amanfo. We are right opposite Parliament Sports at Okoman Akwaaba. When we say Edna, Efia Baso a dance you. We are brandy and you be so set now. One crowd assassinate. Okaso Minyan to assassin. I use a way here. Why do you so bubra? Now we are Baba Suno Muso Okoba. And you we a slave queen or slave mamma. Now you be so set. And I want to assassin. No way to me, I got some matter we Okoba no pool. Oko da no aba no pa kasa kese no titim me aka na ne dress ne edi hunseku Sounds na da wo ma bag so me kwa adwuma bo wa kwa adwuma ba sa untimi point wa asase obi wo do manso a wa to asase na to wa emfi bebre sika na emoa enti aye bibi obi brafo say something which is there but Onyame abomodin to me yebu afo na sani ampagini se Yakopon body friend ya no wabone puma no ene ejapoye construction and general merchant ababeji yen ema edansie aye fofofo enkane na eze unya sikapuduo wademu nani obomodin koto blouse kakra anwa kakra bo kakra mesinfo akra age usika akahye afe lebres says ya musika na yatumo senye etega na bio says ya duhi ejapoye construction and general merchant se hwe ene wa won peso obesi dan ne e wala o wala Ebakori blocks 5 inches and 6 inches. Some blocks 5 inches and 6 inches. Hollow blocks 5 inches and 6 inches. Afe anya sa wo pen trip anasa wo pen wo eye rhino mo kiem anasa me no ka say abo wo pen ro rhino kiem anasa mpo me no ka say wo pen no e wo eye tipam afe ka say ye wo eye kwari kwari no sa wo pen yo tipam kotokum headpan mu ni nyina ye tombi anything na ye general merchant no na fatie me eba iron rods afa isu ayade ko site binding wires ejapaye construction and general merchant ya crowd so mbeboa ama bibia ya fafafa ama wonso watimi yesi wudan na abushia na no meni abrantie bi di nkomo Mewusa brantie no nani suade hunu esopa ose na me ya ne nkakra ene wi asesa sika no bo emwa enti menya 200 amede ko 500 amede ko na ne Japan ya de supply yugu makache sa ana ma so na me de ya me dan ne nkakra chape me wi na am say thank you na abushia Japan ya san wo live band enti wo ya wedding engagement weekend we a year Jumadi bia wudi bia open like band no. Wubetimi afre Japago ye kro ya. I was 0244 719814 0244 719814 a Japaye construction and general merchant. Also wama densie I am memre. One say school sebie na woka se wu bedi eye ohiechi Any son your man Muayatino. Who be dear Chredia, I am sorry. One where won't you and a more we are said that womano won't perfect and papa and for mom. And then we are shy bay. We were word calendar na economy na ya tawe. Aye baby. What you from want to know what US no? Naka Janice anti pe kakra ma na my show but I say hakra ya den say Ghana. Wo krusu wa brochiri afre no. Akohia na say de niam munyo. Enti me de ba ya ne kakra. Enti no enne kakra wo bia no ese ne awudi hwem no. Etimi so abapa bi ede ma wo daachi. Eni na me kanfo school papa ede amon. Sa wo ba no. Ono no wo daachi. Eni na nyum bi ba say children of the future. Enti bomadi ansa wo de akwala yi be ko school papa na school papa enne. Apia mantem wo be pia mu wa kropon du pon kropon yi mu a. Obia de ne ba akọ. Eno ani peace Montessori. Now, admission is still in progress. Kaiso Mojin Kola Fiti Crash. Akwalana nya 4 months to cry abejeno. Kosi basic 5. Na school itio. Abushia meno ka say a 1 teacher, 12 students in a class. We good access road. After you come cry your school bus, no. We was spacious classroom block. By yesterday, no. A 12 student, 1 teacher. Ni ekumu peace Montessori who and say environment ni conducive for studies. Teacher for ye wo nyina wa hobrase e wonte ase e de man kwala. School bi wo kwala be ko ho. Sani ye be to ni school bag atu baabi. Akwala ni ye twe na so e. Ye twa ni tu e. Ni nyina no. Akwala no entimi nye concentrated. Eju here school a teacher si wa abotre. Ye betimi adada akwala na ye de o ma to track mu. Na chese nkwala yi omanima na omuko omachibio so atimase ye bomori also be peace Montessori awo ekropon ekwapem wo hostel junction shoe fabricant mpon so a omani impressive colors and a bon hwanim from 050 5829261 and 020-0177-676 and 0279-267523. Peace Montessori. I say 1 teacher, 12 students. Na mami no ka asemi. One who say January there and Crawford said that worry baby sa. Yes, and it's a heat, you know. One where before what dream. Suppression ba baby sa na. One for be anya one for wase. And sa anya advert so Crawford chapa. Ana one for be anya passe anya bi anya for be anya sresem. And for radio no to radio papa and tia sresem wo so. And tie nwumpa ene kasada. One where be junsem. Anything na sabre. We hear conducive environment how betimi afa won adwene afa plan. Aye first quarter yi. E we are say one for planning and do kan ya. Da was sesifam. What do you hear? Ya no ma ya successful we are singing no. Onim say e biribi ni semabi. Eseso ye bibi. On funny time ni agro kra. On funny time ko bo chacha. On funny time ko bo draft. On funny time ko chi. E what time odidi agro. E what time odi bo adwuma. Na wo pe baby obetimi adwodo ho. No wasafa pen and paper. Asase niema atoto niema wo pesa wo ye. If you we say wo ya fa ho adwen obo sa akwala daddy I need pizza, daddy I need this. Akwala kura be come o ye mbehwe. Avian so ba no nso be bisa. Na die ni ebedi. Na wo de ya ma osika no nkopa bibi mi eni. Pressure woni patri so. Ain't no asasa unya baby to say Mango Restaurant and Event Center. Sika bia ukuta wo kotokom bia no. Ukuta 10 cities, 20 cities. Ubetimi ajo fanta ba kokoku ba ko. Ensuo bi kura na de fa ho adwen. Na ne wo plan first quarter no, second quarter ne abaye, third quarter ne abaye. Natie. Mango Restaurant and Event Center. Abuja. Omo conducive environment me no ka say omo ye local continental dishes. Entie bi apesa no dofo bi. Moko tena se na mo twi abusua no ho. Mo hwe fapema mo bepede abusua na eye Mango Restaurant and Event Center. afetie what was seasoning pork ayabomadi yan special wudi abetin oye pa afetie ya wa chicken wings papa ayabomadi yan grill it ebi wo no ma ya chi etie ne wo de to wine no to ne ma so a ekopa abushia sansu na mangrove say a wedding reception engagement party na wo ye Wunya event center kuta 2 event air grounds. This a mangrove pe. Obi ejumadi and distract obi. Asumdwe wo hopa. Baako wani baako wa chire. Wo pe park so dia wo benya. And ya wo pe bibi aye enclose nso a benya. E hopa no mutwa point to kill nso wo ho. Mangrove restaurant and event center say. Fuani chire mampon ekwapem. About Wednesdays and weekends. Omobomodinya bought live jazz, classical music. It's a event center with a class. Mampo Anglican Dam Police Station Road in Iswa. Wozabeka Mangrove Restaurant and Event Center from 0243 277576 0243 277576 Mangrove Restaurant and Event Center. I see event center with a class. Na mamenuni enkomobi. Anopa meeting said the boy A.K.A say me achira mo share. Kofituo and a happy entertainment light and sound system. Oya kofari bai. Na unya brantie bia. Oya selfless. Oya hard working. Nia oya no oti ase a. And ya untimi nsan kofituo ho. Na happy entertainment light and sound system on penny for say. One no you like pop and restaurant ko fire by. Inti jumedie bia would say wedding reception. Se flow tumpo na wo ye. Parties ahodo. Unya PA system a be use ana sound system. What the broma share. Eba light system. Canopy enkonwa. Ana stage. Wo be ye unya enkonwa unya tables. For contract no. Ema nipa baakofo no enyo no pet na ye company mu Happy Entertainment Light and Sound System for omo betutu bibia ne kwanso fefe e di amount wo man fie kwapem wo bemba bia Everflow for Gigi Susuno from 0275 042594 and 0540 790012 Happy Entertainment Light and System I see abema odwumadie no ayekiko hwe enkane unso bia eko school a na Catholic schools announce Orthodox churches no almost schools na enkane afoforo mo makopa na Roman Catholic schools there Ghana fana nyina school say taba no homodin pa enye Roman school enye Anglican school a enye Presbyterian school ana Methodist na Ekropon Anglican Basic School meno ka say age admission na KG1 KG2 primary to primary 6 anko see JSS 3 meno ka say there admission is still in progress for any chere amanfo Akufo Road in this wa na we Roman Catholic sorry dino a trip won sabeka Anglican Basic School no ho na bomadi akwaji admission ho efama wo ma anansa wabushia 0240 535814 0240 535814 eno no sa wo pesa wo yenhwemu anansa ubisa bisem na ubisa akwan ba faso a ubetimi anya admission wo ho de ama wo de hia 0240 535814 boni friend for all inquiries just hit on the numbers 0240 535814 will be Joseph Fefe. Na mami chiamia minua John Peter Nyako Ato A.K.A JP Nana mima wa fishiapa JP asafi yenshia Bijemi sese bibi aboko na minchia plus phone nyina Maswo F group CEO Madam Salome Michiao na Michia Mr. Kisio Dukwapon board chairman Michiao Akra na umpo mo mi James se bibia boko nyame nkoso ama nkwantente omo ahodin se ya amayen na Michia Dr. Opoku Benson Odishie Akra Mema good evening o na Michia onene ne hokafo ene abusua mama ya o afishia po mena Afe Mr. Michael Asarbediako A.K.A Papa Shaggy na ewiei enwumrei etesei bra bibia aboko de Akwapem sunuma na fe binchia kokoti hene Jeffrey Akufubuate na shoe fabric for mo to say adwuma ye for mo nyina mo nkoso mo adwuma son e for mo Akwapem wate It's a Ghana here, you puntuo. Ghana here, Sammy Robert Fan in Tama Pebiafra. One so, one unipa. Now your husband here, Akwapem, Akwapem Etre, Akwapem Pejana. Necessary in your hotels are Sambre Dimu. Now, hotel are Sambre. Would do one of my answer, where do a 7-star hotel? Hotel Ekuta taste. The flavor cry be before fro. Swimming pool no. Essence you open to the public. What restaurant are we in both local and continental. After rooms and also what executive rooms, twin rooms, deluxe rooms, standard rooms, economy rooms. Nina no timima wono dofo. Eko twetwomo ho. Wumpe we na apede. Mi no taw. O taw carry motom. Corriginess Hotel Ekuta luxurious nature After Richness Hotel a top class hotel with facilities Abushia ukopie mo Richness Hey, and you just say wow, we bet you say wo Won kwasha Richness mo bi metete wo sha wo dem a wo betimi afa wo adwen pu you betimi abetena ho na wi abo na tipu you na rese ne pu asro chi tabi we de pu asro chi tabi ebo pa okay kind stars ne hwewe ma wo se ne ma beyeye afi sama ha te wo ho tibi kotena se no business partners mo fa mo ho adwen na Regional Hotel say wo de wada hotels ahodo nyina but wo de bra na be so mo hwe enanyu mi e ba ye press before you momra me hwe me enede yi momma be stress me ye momma so me hwe Regional say wo de bomodin be so no hwe na bo so wada hotels ahodo na mo wei dutwam kura wo edukrom Akwapem Enkani district or Okre district assembly no Opsipe and Originals will talk from 050-333-7788 050-333-7788 and 0244-333-73 0244-333-373 Originals Hotel as a home away from home. Come experience a natural and a conducive environment. A hotel with a class. What do you say? Okay. Now, me koji abuwa for nkra to enche 20 after 4. Don Pablo Papa Mpani for se hwe. Obi be se wonu mo fufu ne ma. Wo so fufu asa. Obi abonsa na asa nkoyie no. Enya de pa no wanom. Na unze ni na asa de da na akwan so no. Ene ebisa. Akom eni nchiremu enti bisa ho. Na ena ubonse guess abaya no me. Edro bi bae. Na say why you fine. Na say why you tough. Na say why you bolo. Sounds na boy saba. Don't you feel ko ube pie mu ha. Wo hwese ne na furu atoto an kala ya toso. Na anu oka na asem wo se weda no. E kwa udi ene ne ha nyina nka ya ye pede ba ha de de edutwam kura. Na say don't say thank you. I produce bie. Sha Don Pablo Pop. And abomodin fresh shakes abadwaman so. Enti obi biara sambre ensu komade no enkono munsuo bia kopa fresh shakes yibi no bogu bo ubo zampa ahehyew na fuami ensa ye bisa sa okon ya so me kwa America na nsen ya na me be ensu no tigana heya odi America na aba Ghana John Pablo Pop Emma a fresh shakes be to say strawberry shake, banana shake, mango shake, snow white shake, carrot and mango shake, carrot and banana shake, mixed fruit shake, mango, carrot, ginger shake, after veggie snow white shake. Never chase our one shop. We can wait. I will share about Nancy. I hope what about fear. Bobby, to be. That's how I hear. Obi was here. Me over nominate me more dance. 85 wenum kakrebi. Na 100 cities. Say be about dance. Another 10 cities about dance. Mandela Junction. Osabeka Don Pablo Pap. Ewo ho. Cry Junction. Wasabeti me can crab at tobacco so ever ho. 0557 734 and 0552 302607. Don Pablo Pop. I say, come have a taste of your fresh shakes. It's Anna said, Charlie, open up, papa. Sister, night try. Because I say, crab me, meanwhile, when I'm going to shakes to be married. Okoman Radio, Sabu Mamuna Frishapa. After that, sending a Tiasi. After that, sending a Kakra. After that, say no, where Jumana would the Kakra Koshemuno. A so bound for so Mohosa. Ain't you sorry, Ketuania Cassia? Companies in Ketuania Cassia schools. Mosua Mopasi, a social announcement, a year. Restaurant and bars, corporate institutions, hotels, a hoodoo, Munina. Mama Nia some of them to my baby boy and Tomano, a son is so come on by it. We were here, a pure man to Upe station be doing one bottle. What the Kobani Anoma Kadia Buaka Sim, Papa Body Assembly, year 2 to Fasrani Echo. So that yes, here, his son is a ha, any you, any a Casamo crap mind. Mama Nia so further friend penny, na Jumedia be a woody be a winning a din house 0246 435565. 0246 435565. Ye be Joso. Okoman you. Ofiepe. Okoman you. Okuape mangano. Once again, 24 after 4. And now your 21st day in the month of January 2022. We are blessed to be here. Na answer na meko commercial break here, boy. Me say acronyms. Acronyms no medical actual Bible. Basic instruction before leaving earth. A Bible. A croponso one idiot. Stay tuned. I'll give you that right after this short commercial break. I'll be right back. What is here?
Chawajo, and Grofue to me more. Nima me the best be done, no man catch me say.
Cratchy, Ada, we your whole would equipment. Want a Japaye construction and general merchant in Ghana. A backquarry block 5 inches and another 6 inches. A basan block 5 inches and another 6 inches. Sana hollow block 5 inches and another 6 inches. Tie, so whoop a boar Edia Sidine. So whoop anya Edia Sidine. So whoop ensure Edia call side. Another binding wires. About building materials. Want to mean a Japaye construction and general merchant won't that. It's an say, Omo, and a more discount. I will adhere Ubetobia or Mashe, cement to Kradia and Coho. What of cement new announce me and Sakura, yet the Bakwa job free delivery. Ubetimia Fre a Japaye, I was 0244 719814 0244 719814. Eba iron rods, Abuo, Woope, Anya, I will rhino mu, Anatipemu, Ebakari, now Woope, I will track mu, Anasa Tipemua, Nina, ya supply in Ebi, Open Stone, I will kill mu, Nina, ya the Bebro, a Japaye, I will tell Equapem, Wabendel filling station, Ubetimia from, I was 0244 719814 0244 719814. Kayo, Sawo ya party engagement a year, and answer the Ribiara we have live band, a Japaye sound or live band now, Omube who no, I will feel it, a Japaye live band na, Ubatini de ye, Abushia, Ubetimia Fre, I was 0244 719814. A Japaye Anna,
Adansi 4, the contractor for Adam 4.
Money, oh, hey, money, oh.
Honey, I read my basa power. Chessa, where the Nakanan saped baby, who friends Sunny Adrian for Chessa MC Cran, some passa, Bino catch up. I'm my basa, Mimunium.
Middle Kawakumato Yem, many happy entertainment light and sound system. Need you live pub and restaurant, a dinkomodada, wedding, funeral, float, and answer parties are hudwa. Omutimishi shade mediation kumane ya kono. A bass sound system, lighting, canopy, in Komwa any tables are over the Josopo.
Just say, one and that will be a very imagine FFS.
One Eba stage crowd ya Wabema station and one happy entertainment light and sound system. You like pub and restaurants, so why a crowd say, in Yanni Papa and in Papa, whatever at the amount, one fear crapim, our bay Everflow from 0245 042 594 and 0540 790012. Happy entertainment light and sound system. And you like pub and restaurant. Omobema wedding no ayekiko. Pesa ni anokoma atani was.
Oh, I want my many say.
Happy people. When peace like a river.
Honey, me we abusumi anani o. Ese se me san kwa adwuma. Na bom school papa be so me ben mama me. Ne metumi akoya adwuma sumdwe mu. E na me dwenwu o.
Me do, ade wonti Peace Montessori in Ghana. Omoji nkwala 54 man, crutch, KG, primary 1 ekosi primary 5. Peace Montessori, our accessible location. Wasanso wa world secure compound. Asanso wa school bus asambre baby abofra no obi a wo ba befra no e de na ko school anopa. Excellent tuition and care there. Wontimi omo wadamu befua.
Peace Montessori. Anyone wo hostel junction hostel echi ho no. E ho de ni amate kra ne se. Wahwe mofra ye na teacher ba ko fa mofra 12 me kire mofra dumiempe.
Sa pepepe Peace Montessori e wo ekropon ekwapem. So pese woni omo kasa e wo ahomatrofo so a. Ana se wogi nchemu bi afre number si 05058292661 and 020017766 and 0279267 Peace Montessori ana.
Wadom mofra keke.
Peace Montessori ana.
One teacher, 12 students.
Okoman Okoman Radio 97.1.
Ukuloya $10 be a papa oh. Mami kulumaya wanana. Ukuloya Ghana India ne wapako. Dr. Sleddy be your godfather. Hey, whoopity oh, whoopity, whoopity oh, whoopity. Ukuloya, oh ya American who feel London. Ukuloya, we shall all Lagos. Ukuloya, oh SM walking. Hey, whoopity oh, whoopity, whoopity oh, whoopity, whoopity oh, whoopity. Whoopity oh, whoopity, whoopity oh, whoopity, whoopity oh, whoopity. You pull up in the Benzo, yeah. You want buy Benz, but you no get work. You die your gang. What a pistol for you no get. Fioko you no get gang. CC loaded, they are paper loaded. No one laptop only need pay your client for all that. So no one see English F9. We dey hustle for mama. We leave home to feed home. One afraid that one blind guy. Chairman, wow the two shots. Pulling back, wow the champagne. Dory man, love the bottom night.
Okoman Okoman Radio 97.1.
Assalamu alaikum Okoman Radio. Medina Sabiti Abdullahi. Mon for friend mi ya. Unti Okoman Radio ya.
Where you get it, the big bum bum. Where you get it, the big bum bum.
Okoman Radio 97.1.
Where you come from? Where you get it, the big bum bum. Where you get it, the big bum bum. And
when you move, when you walk, cause your body got me up to like a fool.
Okoman Radio 97.1.
So I say my thing, I don't know what to do.
African girl body like a Milo. She dance a wheelo. Choco Milo. Melanie. African girl body like a Milo. She dance a wheelo. Choco Milo. Melanie.
She call me Kwame now. She say na me
Kwame Mpere A.K.A Akoma Radio de PROMOTIONAL Akoma Radio
she want to know me by formula. I want to come in there, you know.
Okoman Radio 97.1.
And you me for the not. Who couldn't I am knocking.
Assalamu alaikum Akoma Radio. Medina Saliti Abdullahi. Mon frère Yaro. Unti Akoma Radio da.
She dance a wheelo, choco milo, melody. African girl body like a milo. She dance a wheelo, choco milo, melody.
Okoman Radio 97.1.
Girl, I want to see you tonight. I will catch a flight and come see you tonight. Hey, ooh, girl, I want to see you tonight.
Hey, station where the man Kenya. Okoman Radio 97.1. Hey.
Abraham and A.K.A, Mom's strength back up. I'm out for a full Okoman Radio. Oh, we are champion. Okoman from a man Kenya crab. What's the baby? You know, my brother, no boy, you are not go. That's who we are with you.
Mieja ka say Okoman asopua tumo wie gije e to bare to bua papa
Okoman Radio 97.1. Okoman Radio 97.1.
Nana Joa Ekropon Debi Amitie Okoman Radio 97.1. Okoman Radio Okuji Omai Okoman Radio Ejim Akuapi Mind Debi Etie 97.1. Okoman
Radio 97.1. Okoman Radio 97.1. Okoman Radio.
I don't wanna lose you.
Okoman Radio 97.1.
So no time. And if you say you know
Nana Joa Ekropon Debi Amitie Okoman Radio 97.1. Okoman Radio Okuji Omai Okoman Radio Ejim Akuapi Mind Debi Etie 97.1. Okoman
I go take flight and I go fly to you. See the waste time. I feel you belong to you. Salty love. Oh, girl, you got me wanting more.
Okoman Radio 97.1. We are blazing.
Got me searching for you. I need you for my soul.
Nana Joa Ekropon Debi Amitie Okoman Radio 97.1. Okoman Radio Okuji Omai Okoman Radio Ejim Akuapi Mind Debi Etie 97.1. Okoman
Your friend me Grace, Okoman Radio. You are the best, number one. Mountain, so we are fantastic.
Okoman FM day, Korea Mountain, associate campo. Near my warrior, that will pursue ye, now obey ye. Yadetu, say, near, not to say, Okoman Akwaaba. One name may be our council, so I tell you what you need to ACP. You had as I said, Magic, Fanny, I can say, I don't want to see. Your bomb at us, Okoman day, the time waiting. Sunny and Penny kind. Was it fear any fee? Okoman day, we are
we are blazing.
Okoman, A.K.A was in Okoman, before she never for me,
Okoman Radio 97.1.
Abraham and A.K.A, Mom's strength back up. I'm out for a full Okoman Radio. Oh, we are champion match. Okuma from my bank and you can you cry? Must say that you know cry no boy you are not true. There's so be a only size what you.
I don't even know.
Okoman Radio 97.1.
Okoman Radio for me Damaspa, me match na me kase me saka makoko. Me adwuma den na me homo den na me bo Okoman Radio ti me saka makoko. Okoman Radio maba mo grab manga pa. Damas.
Baby, don't you leave me, don't go. My shawty, my love, my shawty.
Okoman Radio 97.1.
I am me Adelaide Dubu, me war Parliament Sports. Okoman opposite. Me de fi anopa Okoman Ria and Okoman. Me wale drink one da. Ti mi sire mo amuti Okoman na. So yeah, ti o mo body say I am me Adelaide Dubu, me war Parliament Sports. Me ne Okoman Radio. Me wale drink yeah. Yo and Okoman. Ti mi sire mo amuti Okoman na. So yeah, ti o ho me body say Damase.
Sir Dennis near Okoman 97.1. Offering French our way to the so friend one and check Okoman Radio back up.
Yeah, our friend you go for back up. Okoman Radio 97.1. Number 1. The radio AKA and you see the Okoman Radio number 1. So yep back. Get number 1 Ofie pay. Thank you.
Open your Kwame Mpere A.K.A Okoman Akwaaba tumori ejijete to bar to bu afapa
Okoman Radio 97.1.
Taking over with the show.
Okoman Radio.
Taking over with the go.
Okoman Radio. Okoman Radio 97.1. Station where your man Kenya. Okoman Radio 97.1.
I have my body never who came me. Then I also Ghana moving who came me. Charlie when I be na me ni be never who came me. Really ya no who came me. Asabena baso moving who came me. One na power da so Charlie who came me. If you get the feel Charlie ma padi fe who came me. Yan kwe. Fe who came me. For body never who came me. Yes. For be who came me. Yeah, what's in the for be who came me. Yes. For who came me. For body never who came me. Fabe who came me? What else? Yeah, what's in the Fabe who came me? Yet it's in some. Just a calabida mimpem. Ubena feel I know about Nintem. My de could dance why you would denchem. When I question, I would trend it. Tell him what was sending. Corona is not
Okoman Radio 97.1. 97.1 FM is rocking. We are blazing.
I live my life, I don't like trouble. Divine of the face, and every day I also for love. So one does know that that's my case.
Okoman Radio.
But like the lie, so we don't talk much, that you know. A lie, so the girl them wine to the rhythm and dance, yo. A lie, the summer music can make everybody the mad, oh. A lie, everything's so nice and we live it so large now.
Okoman Radio 97.1.
Know me for that and about. They know right now we get him out. So me I get many to say and about. From a nickel down to a jiggle beggars. They know me for that and about. And they know we don't make him out. But you follow me down to my lungu. I keep you one. Up in the club with Emily and Benny.
Okoman Radio 97.1.
Ekropon. Baby, I'm here Okuma Radio 97.1. Okuma Radio, Okuji Online. Okuma Radio, the Jim Akwaaba mind. Baby, it's 97.1. Okuma.
One day, someone try to replace me, but then give up because of the someday where I don't
Okoman Radio 97.1.
Right now all eyes on me, but I see no
Okoman Radio 97.1.
Say the boy not the king for the area.
Okoman Radio 97.1.
I need you wake up, oh, too bad, oh, wake up, oh. I'm coming to do you langa. In the morning when you wake up, oh, you don't need the makeup, oh, I beg, yeah, baby, oh. I need you wake up, oh, too bad, oh, wake up, oh. I'm coming to do you langa.
Abraham and A.K.A, Mommy's Joint,
you don't need the makeup, you the
same. Okoman Radio, oh, we are champion. Okoman from Mama Gelo, Kenya Grandma said it. No one from Crown or poor, you are not true. There should be a meeting.
You don't need to make up you the same. I will love you every night and day. The way I love you, know me play.
There was some up on the pole.
Yeah.
Donzi. Hey, I what they are. I what they are. Why girl, you on fire. Who you ja? You be the oven, if you get the heat, then my girls coulda never. They no reach, they coulda never. If you be legit, see you be the girl. We a come out, you be my kind of. Hey, Sameshawa, you be the deal. I never go fit close to you, they my eye top. Allah, Menda,
Radio
97.1. So wait you go make I go left you my baby the bee, my baby the slave. Your beauty be natural and you're Mary Kay.
You don't need to make up to the slave, mama. I will love you every night and day, yeah, mama. The way I love you, don't be play, yeah, mama. You the slave, mama. You don't need to make up to the slave, mama. I will love you every night and day, yeah, mama. The way I love you, don't be play, yeah, mama.
Okoman Radio 97.1.
Yeah.
Me shower 9. Anyone into a when you make about 7 coon, Minakojo, money bow densua, and come to me.
Forget the BMT Okoman Radio 97.1.
What shall I say? I just say,
Okoman Radio, a Jim Akwaaba mind. BMT 97.1. Okoman.
Okoman Radio 97.1.
We go very reply Tuesday.
Okoman Radio 97.1.
See me so below na men no more better than any ace of spade. Me she want to for create some space.
Me ja ka say Okoman afafua twumowie bidete. To bar so bua papa.
Say some na me bia ni pe bia to me ne be ya twema mentwe. Wo bompa ye bia ni aka de ne dia koda na de nchen. Na nya me se me shi wa de sija so a ma senhye na me pe kanzo.
Abraham and A.K.A, Mommy's Joint,
yeah, so what a children that where we are paying for no suya. Now you are Okoman Radio, and when young, a Kenyan, say Ukrainian, you, ain't a become when I'm so.
Your friend me Grace, Okoman Radio, you are the best, number one. Apara mountain, so Chedi
Okoman Radio 97.1.
She get it boyfriend, we don't like to spend it. She get it boyfriend, he 2 day kaku. She get it boyfriend, oh my shit.
We are blessed.
She see I'm up there.
We are blessed.
She enter DM.
Okoman Radio 97.1.
Pepe dem, boy and le pepe dem. Pepe dem, boy and le pepe dem. Pepe dem, boy and le pepe dem.
Kwame Mpere A.K.A, CEO of Kwame Mpere A.K.A, Okoman 97.1. Mwana yeti, moya che.
Regularly like better things.
Steven Odro, Ida Obeni. You are commanding or the queen of your man, Until your man, no one if Emma Yambo and your man Nina, or Koji Amang, Okoman FM, and the Mubako.
Mieja kese Okoman asokwa chumowie jijete eto bare to bu afa pa
Show your power, Africa forever.
Okoman Radio 97.1. Okoman Radio. Okoman Radio. Okoman Radio 97.1.
Show your power, Africa forever.
Nana Jua Ekropon, DBMT Okoman Radio 97.1. Okoman Radio, Okuji on mine. Okoman Radio, Ejim A.K.A mine. DBMT 97.1. Okoman.
Let me see you take control.
Okoman Radio.
Sure.
Okoman Radio 97.1. Station with your man Okoman Radio 97.1.
Small beats we just the play where you just decrease, that's nice. Oh, say I'm there, son, I'm okay. I did there, move for you catch it. Bob said you will please say, where would it chill? East they go. Enjoyment, means share song. West flavor, East and dog. They come out the girls from East. That one will make the songs complete. If you're nothing,
Okoman Radio 97.1.
Show your power, Africa forever.
Sister Cruz, Mama Sadia no. Sadia no.
Okoman Radio 97.1.
Sister Cruz, Mama Wadia no. Wadia no. Mama Wadia,
Make a jam my shirt first. My mood high, I know they want first. Some girl won't do, make a jam my dress nest. This song no they make any sense, but after we go see the difference. Like see with the fence. Forget to blog yourself on the coins. Who come first, who come next, who come less, who come past. No they worry me, so why me? I me. Fast one to my homie Santi. I be I tell you this song. I'm at the over this song they catch. Like a beam stick at they attach. But Charlie me quick face the fat. This big song with it cause the flat. I feel yeah raw, yeah raw, yeah raw.
Okoman Radio 97.1.
I feel yeah raw, yeah raw. I'm on raw. Still no fear.
Okoman Radio
Dedicated on the
97.1.
You be work you rule last year. Yo, but we still day here. True. Medical, the cat. Yeah, that makuma should be a yameka. Or you're being fino or they call the cat. If I want film into me frameka or coffee a coca. You don't talk like you chop baller. You be vulture, oh brother. On him, I be real baller. Me a block cola, check it through baller. You the fella. Yeah, Jeffrey backseat. As a drop through, no. I see the block. You the fella. Raw. I feel yeah, raw.
Yeah, raw.
Yeah, raw. I feel yeah, raw. I'm on raw. One step in the building.
And you wait first time I met you and I'm busy said the I'm raw. Sekwa do create me raw. And I said, brother, yeah, wrong.
Make a jam.
I don't cry, raw.
I know they want first.
And I'm say, raw, yeah.
Make any sense, but after we go see the difference.
Anyway, finance freaky fabulous. Fantastic Friday.
Yes, who come past?
We are on your best radio station in the heart of the capital. Okoman 97.1 radio.
Song they catch.
Na more.
But Charlie me quick face the fat. This big song with it cause the flat.
Imagine say,
Lot of messages coming through. Walk on Facebook Live. I see you from DJ Livy P. Hey, good job, bro. I love your show. Thank you so much. I also love you for doing the watching and also listening as well.
But we still here.
Now, I will share me the car catch you, Mose.
Yeah, that makuma so be a me can all your being feel.
Obama call a young Ghana Young Entertainers Awards 2021-2022.
No baller.
Oma Bomadia nominated me. Said radio presenter of the year. Na test code in you. Star 928 star. Wabomadia bought 303 hash. Tio code no test code in you. Star 928 star 303 hash. No Wabomadia send. O send you make us say enter the code. Code no ye 82305. 82305. Now Wabomadia vote to ama Nana Kwame Mpere as the radio presenter of the year 2021-2022. Last year, we a second edition Young Entertainers Awards, Ghana Young Entertainers Awards 2021-2022. Ain't you know, Momo Piper, and it's any music for show love for power radio, you know, and I'm on my pammy. Now, and Yamin Kunam was a category, no, you will be pan April. And you go for April, maybe number 5. Now, medical show acronyms at the Bible. Basic instruction before leaving earth. A Bible. Bino. Nana stand for basic. I also stand for instruction. NFA Bino stand for before. Elno idea trino leaving. And earth. It's a basic instruction before leaving earth. And only a Bible. Now, and someone who want acronyms. Never say a word against me. Now, I'm in chum. N no stand for never. S no stand for say. And A no what S no W no stand for word. And A no this one against. M na etwato no me. Enti and someone ne acronym no. I never say a word against me. After your mama the concrete, say ACCRA. Any criminal can roam about. Any criminal can roam about. I don't know Accra. After my men for a cropon, I will be a trainer. Me fa mamo nyampa Monday se kwamba mna me ba nkronkro aka ni nyina me de be ma ho ma me fa sra kase mfa ma ejadu mi chiao baby awo bia mi chiao ni abedwafo akroponio A no stand for always, K no stand for kind, and for Aaron respectful, onu ye obedient, and a pini people, and a owner sandy pina chino off, and no new, and a fejino Ghana, Etienne Kambum. Always kind, respectful, obedient people of New Ghana, and only ye ekropon. Always kind, respectful, obedient people of New Ghana. Akropon. Acronyms in the name. Who about them? Yeah! And yamio. Sap me see 2022, dear my being. It's an is a killer, so one machine Dawson. Amo muso me ha. Esan so me ha. Baby. Mami Chia do credit Kasia pa come out. Me your research na am copying so. I don't me be. Confirmation so fi baby. Enti no nkronkro ni bebre no. Nyame adom acronyms nyina mi kuta. So stick and stay, don't flip your dial, because a lot is about to happen on this radio. Obisi Minsensu Subio, Nana, good job. Basi Subio. Me say Ekropone acronyms in you. A stand for always. K stand for kind. R stand for respectful. O stand for obedient. And a P stand for people. O stand for off. And a N new. J Ghana. 80 Ekropon, the acronym no. Always kind, respectful, obedient people of New Ghana. And someone never say a word against me. And a Bible no. A basic instruction before leaving earth. Woko and cry, which is Accra, ACCRA. I'm the other name at the pound, so any criminal can roam about. Selo. Oh yes, this one says we are winning hands down. Yes, of course, Nana. I wanted to ever find a hands down. We are aware. Can't get to see a tear for near the four Modoye. You didn't see ever find a hands down. Nano, no sir, all students. Vote, I'm voting, you know, I'm the receipt in the name. Yami sure be biara o voting. Ya kofadi abroku ape mine. Apie mantem. Ya bomodia di abechichi anananom. Adamasi. Matias here. A Young Entertainers Awards 2021-2022. Ghana Young Entertainers Awards 2021-2022. And then I'm trying to hear a friend Jai. Ghana Young Entertainers Awards. Now, obisi me sense code in so. Yes. Over a star 928 star 303 hash. Nefe wabo code no. Mi code ni 82305. Midi mbeba Nana Kwame Mpere. Ubonsa brante bi awasha Lacoste CK Papa. Asambo modian she cool your heart be. You will vote to man number 5. Go for the door so. Baja ever. Okay. Na acronyms you what that? And I won't say that.
Finance maintain.
Won't say that. Hey, then you are lost.
Yeah. Until okay, my
that's right. Ma who's your watch up? Sa no be so watch up. Eighteen Ekropon the and okay.
We see Ekropon the ni.
We fi. Oh, there be kai. Me pesa okay. You don't ube kai. Ube kai. You don't. You don't. You don't want.
Me hear me.
Oh, you don't. Then.
No. But minim say a kind, obedient, respectful.
There be stances here. Ekropon the any always kind, respectful, obedient people of New Ghana. That's right. Ain't you know Jensen Susubio? Always kind, respectful, obedient people of New Ghana. Ekropon dupon. Now medical culture share 2022 dear Ojana yade bana yesronko. Ti award bi obo de bebe bia ye befa. Ya bachelor colors for the days of the week. Entare bi wo no na color bi wo no ma ye nhye. One she ye nhye. Ninyina no. They should stay tuned on the show. It is coming up giddy cry. To say Monday, she say bad color for Monday, red. What you say? Debbie. Bad color on Monday, red. And a Tuesday, so bad color for Tuesday, yellow and white. But stay tuned. Me funny, you know, mama. Oh, see ya kwatena ase. Ya research pa. Etia ba no. Ni amonte ye no. Afoforo ntimi nkyeremo no ye be kyeremo. This is the finest. entertaining, exciting, educative drive time in the whole Ghana. 1 after 5. Kaisa 5:30 pepe yebema yemoso. Yedi Okoman Akwaaba bro. But my mama the chia once again a jadu wa himbrom. Na me mama the chia Stonza. Obabde no e kosronko. Na me chia me little tinker star no. Trustina Robin de Mpere A.K.A Cutie. Na me chia Trish Allen. Nana Bena Uyafe Mpere A.K.A Sweetness. Nana would you, Hermano. Sa twinkle little stars. Afa bichia ekwapemira banka juma ya phone na Madam Edina. Na me pacha umpo mu en papa nie. Osina na Charlie Kosua press e befa. Na me chia Star Oil Prof. When our manager was Star Oil or do et saying Infin for Tabi Biabako there. Kwame Oyibo. We need Jerome Michiamo. After Michia Mr. Fianco. Our Allied filling station at Cropon. After who call a year Mamfe. Total filling station at Eric Tay. Ani omo makani ye no ma wo mate ni munyina me chechiamo. And Star Oil war Mamfe. Afa mampon so go. Ni chia juma ye fo mo nyina manager say bibia abako de. Okay. Abusia ye ni nyum kakra. Na ye bari ye de Okoman Akwaaba de abro. Once again you from me na Kwame Mpere ubetimi from the finest. Meme nyina Catchy enemy entity moderno me fano kwa.
Samputuma peche, sampatama suku, wangadana keshe. Wanna
It's this radio man Kenya. Okoman Radio, 97.1.
Sampatama peche, sampatuma puju, sampatama mojo, sampatama puju, sampatama pepe, sampatana pumpu, sampatana pepe.
Mom's joint back up. I'm out for a full Okoman Radio. Oh, my champion. Okoman from my man can you cry? What's it?
Sampatama luku, benze sampatama putu, sampatama bobo, sampatama pupu, putu, Sampatama benje, sampatoma puju, sampatama pocho, sankatanga puju, sampatama pepe, sampatanga puku, sampatanga pepe, kabuo, keda mundo godo, dantede, ambaga dumbigi getsede, walk here, walking. I may say, what bad and just a different dropping. Will be the last I can say, bandit, me jack on your rush.
Abraham and I say, Mom's judge, I'm out for a good grade. Come on from my bank, can you cry? What's the
your bumper?
Near Jackass, Okoman Akwaaba, they took bar,
the second bumper. This is then a woman to be a bumper.
Okoman Radio, 97.1.
You Okoman with the movie, Maba Montana.
Brother Besha me and come at your bosom.
Okoman Radio 97.1.
Let me hear go through. Brother Besha me and come at your bosom and dream work. That's like the throne like 10:30 p.m.
Nana Jua Akropon ABMT Okuma Radio 97.1 Okuma Radio Okuji Online Okuma Radio Okwabi Mind ABMT 97.1 Okuma
Okwabi Mind Captain retired Nana Jua Okuma Radio they have come to stay Oma team and don't when now was Kuala and so they almost for radio to Okuma Nipsey and the Pania what I say
Okoman Radio 97.1.
No one knows tomorrow ain't it? Money day with money no day. Don't be moody, no said that. No one knows tomorrow ain't it?
Your friendly Grace, Okoman Radio, you are the best, number one. A.K.A So Chedi Kampo, then Shiamwa, A.K.A we are fantastic.
Because you know one picking, you they cry all day. One day will bow, man, not my friend, mommy. Two-legged bed, you they walk all day. Money go come on, you go drive Toyota Camry. That boy be said, hey, Nyanya Basum, hey, Janya Frefre, or China, you see a best idea, but no one knows tomorrow.
Okoman
Radio 97.1.
No one knows tomorrow ain't it? Money day with money no day.
Okoman Radio.
Don't be moody, no who said that. Your name, I'm wedding. It's a bride, we been to. Why tomorrow?
Okoman Radio 97.1.
And Janani Balada Katem. Or than you ready forget the man. Chichinga, Tibina, I'm the lady, Tibina Fit, to the one of Visa, chilling in Yavisa, Messi, loco, and never to Adonco, Messi, loco, and never to Adonco.
Hey, Officer with the car, Obisu Ninsa, Obisu Hiaba, Obi a bowl like Obi Alanta, yes, Onyame na aboni wiase na wache ni nhua so obiamfa entimi ni atwo nase obi ni mo brempo ahase madam fo bia mi ni mu no o start na gwa boni na wo potase so no to sako eso ne popo na eso ne mango minim so hie twa photo but enya wo nko na woni foko bibia be yosoko for how to want to give me azonto hey ayale bongo what the future go bring we don't know punche
We are blessed.
Money day with money no day. Don't be moody, no
Okoman Radio 97.1.
Sugar, give me that sugar. Give me that sugar. Give me that sugar.
Okoman Radio 97.1.
Baby boy, you know fi control. If I take this body down low, baby boy, you know fi control. She gets the money for sure, and I see your love go blow. If I take this body down low, baby boy, you know fi control. You say you wanna lick that sugar, dun dun dun. Share that nika, dun dun dun. You for cool temper, dun dun dun. Baby cool temper, dun dun. Say you wanna lick that sugar, dun dun dun. Share that nika, dun dun dun. You for cool temper, dun dun dun. Baby cool temper, dun dun dun.
Sugar, give me that,
sugar,
give me that,
sugar.
Give me that.
Abushia, oh, that is unfortunate. That is so sorry. So sorry, Nyamini Nioye. That yes, yeah. It's unfortunate, pa. Me DJ no says he attach message about studio mo says he an area ho. I don't you put yourself together. That yes, yeah. Nyamini Nioye. Why?
Sugar.
I don't know why things are going this way.
Sugar.
But any papa biya but sometimes hey. Okay, put yourself together, don't you?
Give me that shit.
Right. I was me to me cast somebody says yeah, baby, permanent.
You're my body type.
Me can't answer. Yeah, sorry, you mediation. Wow.
Right, that's right. If I tell you say I know the like you, that's right.
And now Okoman Akwaaba no.
Sing that, come in, Mr. Boom.
Abayiwe ya bomadiya de na sama bedan.
We all know you don't get size so.
Atiefu asam de muka obi nkabi.
Hey, one girl.
Atiefu asam de muni mode.
Be hypo.
Enti mun side.
We the con the lift further.
Yeah, bomadiya ba mo nan so.
Connects me.
Mon fama futuo emfama abayiwe. Esa ne se samre empani se. Adiye be ya abu akokotra. Ana ne to so na wa wani tuaja. Oso se wudi uti kwashem.